Hey there, want to unlock your brain's potential in just 7 days? Stick around because today I'm sharing some science-backed tips to supercharge your brain power. First up, let's talk about sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for memory and brain health. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your brain struggles to clear out toxins linked to Alzheimer's disease. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to keep your brain in top shape. Next, we've got stress. Prolonged stress can seriously mess with your brain. It reduces your self-control and makes you more irritable, anxious, and unfocused. So, find ways to unwind, whether it's through meditation, exercise, or simply taking a walk. Now, hydration. Did you know your brain is about 75% water? Even mild dehydration, like losing just 2% of your fluids, can impair concentration, alertness, and short-term memory. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Let's talk sugar. Excessive fructose, especially from processed foods and sugary drinks, can slow down your brain's ability to process information and concentrate. Swap those sugary snacks for something healthier, like fruits or nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids are next on the list. Found in fatty fish, nuts, and fish oil, these healthy fats are fantastic for brain health. They help keep your brain cells flexible and improve communication between neurons. If you want to give your brain a real workout, pick up a book. Reading stimulates cognitive function and increases blood flow to the brain. Unlike passive activities like watching TV, reading engages your mind and keeps it sharp. And don't forget about art. Whether you're contemplating a masterpiece or creating your own, engaging with art can boost cognitive function, especially in older adults. So, grab a paintbrush or visit a gallery, your brain will thank you. Here's an interesting tidbit: pregnancy actually changes the structure of the brain. Areas related to social cognition strengthen, enhancing the bond between mother and baby. Fascinating, right? And finally, did you know that love and hate come from similar brain areas? But love reduces activity in parts of the brain responsible for judgment and logic. So, keep spreading the love, it's good for your brain. Alright, there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to unlocking your brain's potential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more brain-boosting content from Global Citizen Ed. Thanks for watching.